Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to show you how you can change the serpentine belt on the S5 V9. The parts what you needed is a guide pulley, a serpentine bolt and the tensioner. The reason why we changed that because the first time when you start the car, when it's cold, it's making a squeaky noise, and yeah, it's possibly the tensioner gone. Might be just a belt, but I will change all of them together because it's quite a big job. It's not too really bad, but yeah, we need to remove the whole bumper and the front of the car because the space is not too big enough to fit them in as like this. Let me show you a bit closer what I'm talking about. So the spaces where you can go in and fit the belt is like this. So this is the reason why we remove the whole bumper and the front, and then the job will be easier. So let's do this. First step, remove the bumper. The sound is what is made it like that. You heard about it. So yeah, this is the reason why we changed it. And of course it's get rainy, so off topic, because if you live in England and you're working outside or you want to be in the middle of the summer, it's get rainy. Love it. But I have a temporary gazebo, so I will fix the job, no problem, and no one can stop. Let's do it. So as you can see, the bumper is off. In my way is, because I've never ever done this before, to remove the headlights, don't make any damage just in case. And I think I need to remove the top frames as well, not just including the chassis bolts, which is down there. I'll show you a bit closer. So those two and those two on the bottom. If I remove these things, I think the front end will be laying down enough to get access for the tensioner and the belt. So let's do this and then see what's going on. Alright, tips. You have 3 bolts to hold your headlights. One in here, one in the top, and one on the bottom. You need to remove 3 of them and then get hanging, but of course the Audi made much more harder way, so you need to take off this little frame as well, because the corner of the headlights is just literally sitting in the way. So we need to remove that things, then probably the headlights will come out. Truth of the moment. The lamps are free. Maybe it looks like a bit dangerous, but it's not too bad. We need to remove the washer from the headlights washer. So yeah, I made it a little bit of mistake, but anyway, the headlights is off. Right, yeah, the sun is back again, just for a few minutes probably, but continues the job. So in this point, as I said to you before, we need to remove those 4 bolts each side, and then might be the chassis or the front of the chassis is just laying down. So let's do this. Right, the chassis is moved as you saw on the time lapse. Not too much, but just enough to get access for the belt tensioner, a guide and the belt. So completely the serpentine section. The Audi called this position like service position. So no other way to get in access in here. Because if you remember the first video, when I show you, you don't have enough space to put your hand like this way. So yeah, this is the position what we needed. Okay, in this section I try to show you how you can remove the pulley and how you can fit the new belt on. But it's really hard to make in a video and do the job because the space is just really limited. But let's do it, and hopefully you will see the important things. So it wasn't too bad, isn't it? Tensioner and a guide and a belt is off, so let's fit the new one. So as you see now, the belt is on. I didn't remove the tensioner like a holder pin because the life is much easier if you just removed after when the belt is on. So you're gonna see the little pin, it comes out with the magnet, so this is what I'm using now. So release the tensioner just in it, then remove the little pin, and after release the tensioner, then the belt, it's tight and in position as you see in here, and job done. Rebuild back everything, then start the car, and hopefully not gonna make any squeaky noise. No more squeaky noise. Running perfectly. So it wasn't too bad, as I said before, but if you don't have enough tools and imagination how you can do that, just follow my instructions on this video, and if you like that, subscribe my channel, and see you next time guys. Thanks for watching.